Hi, I welcome you to Procedural Art, the channel where I am exploring game development and machine learning. So, who am I? I've been working in the gaming industry for the past 7 years as a technical artist, and for around 1 year and a half, I've been researching about machine learning. And I find it fascinating how much we can do with it and how much we can improve game development overall with those technologies. So, the question I want to answer in this channel are how far can we push machine learning? How far can we push game development with machine learning? And how far can we improve our pipelines for asset creation, tooling, agents, narrative, even sound we can talk about. So, if exploring the boundaries of technology and game development is something that excites you, I invite you to join the community that we have on Discord. The link will be in the description below. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel so you know whenever a new video comes. So I see you in the community.